Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pragya and today in this video we are diving into the world of skincare to fight the harsh effects of winter on our skin. Yes, winters में skin बहुत ही dry और dehydrated हो जाती है. So if you're looking to keep your skin radiant and hydrating during this winter seasons, then you are in right place. Today I've got 3 best face pack recipes for winters. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So our number one face pack is hydrating honey and avocado face mask. एवोकाडो हमारी स्किन को नरिश करता है एंड वी ऑल नो दैट हनी इज़ अ नेचुरल मॉइस्चराइज़र. हनी हेल्प करता है हमारी स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज करने में. ये एक नेचुरल मॉइस्चराइज़र है. एवोकाडो स्किन को नरिश करता है और ग्लोइंग बनाता है. So this combo is perfect for dry winter skin. Mash half an avocado and mix it with 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply this mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse off with lukewarm water. Our number 2 face pack is soothing oatmeal and yogurt mask. Yes, oatmeal help करता है स्किन को सूद करने में और ओटमील एक जेंटल एक्सफोलिएटर भी है. एंड योगर्ट एड्स अ डोज ऑफ प्रोबायोटिक्स एंड ऑल्सो इट हेल्प्स टू क्योर पिंपल्स. एंड ये आपकी स्किन को ब्राइट बनाता है एंड टाइट भी करता है और नरिश करता है. कंबाइन 3 tablespoons ऑफ ओटमील पाउडर विथ 2 tablespoons ऑफ योगर्ट. Mix it and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes और इसे gently scrub करें in circular motion for a gentle exfoliation and rinse off with lukewarm water. And number 3 and last face pack is brightening turmeric and milk face mask. For a natural glow, try this face mask. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and brightening properties, and milk helps to moisturize our skin naturally. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of milk to form a paste. Apply it evenly, leave it on for 20 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. इस फेस पैक को ट्राई करने के बाद स्किन बहुत ही ब्राइट और मॉइस्चराइज हो जाती है. सो इसे ज़रूर ट्राई करें. So there you have it, best face pack to keep your skin healthy, glowing and hydrated during the winter months. Don't forget to let me know in comments that which one you are excited to try and if you have any winter skincare tips. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. Until next time, bye bye, take care and stay beautiful.